Hi everyone, welcome to my very first makeup tutorial video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jennifer Lynn Adams. I run 2 businesses and I'm an adaptive athlete, and as you can see, I was born with partial limbs, so the way that I do makeup is very interesting and unique, and I wanted to show people how I do my makeup and hopefully inspire other people who are extra abled like me to do their makeup and to know that whatever you're working with, you can make yourself look beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna skip my concealer first. I'm gonna go straight to my eyes because I like to clean up any fallout before I do my under eye concealer. So for a simple day look, I just start with a fluffy eyebrow pencil, and I just go with a nude shade. And then put that all over my eyelid to give it a good base. Okay, and then I just stick with the same brush because this is just a day look, nothing fancy. And I just go with a slightly darker shade, usually blending this one with this shade. And then I keep this just in the crease of my eyebrow, or I mean my eyelid. So just going in the crease and blending out a little bit to the side edges. Just to give my eyes a little bit of shape and definition. And then I just do a simple eyeliner using just a black eyeliner. I will go in and do my waterline. And then a little bit on the lash line. And then once I have lined my lash line, I go a little bit thicker on the outside of the eye to give the eye shape and definition. And I'll just give it a little flick to give my eye that almond shape that I like. All right, and for a day look, I don't put anything on my bottom lashes just because everything smudges around when you're out doing errands in the day. I only do under eyes for a night look when I can be a little bit more high maintenance. So the next step after I've done my eyeshadow and eyeliner is concealer. And you know, I don't want to be too heavy-handed with concealer, heavy-handed, during a day look. So just to kind of eliminate any shadows under my eyes, I put the concealer just in the dark places under my eye, right kind of in the crease, and then I'll put a little bit next to my nose where I get that redness, press it in and blend it without smudging it around everywhere. So my special digit is just warming up the product and pressing it in. So the next step is eyebrows. And for a day look, I like to just keep my eyebrows really simple. And I take my little eyebrow brush get some eyebrow gel product on it. And then again, I use my special digit to hold the brush and just fill in my eyebrows anywhere where it's a little bit sparse, and just go over my eyebrows. I'm pretty happy with my eyebrows. They're not that sparse. Thankfully, I haven't plucked the crap out of them like a lot of people have. And I just make sure that they're nice and filled in. And that's eyebrows. The next step is cheeks. And for a day look, I don't want to look too contoured, but I will take my fluffy blush brush and dip it into a little bit of bronzer. And then this time I'm actually just going to use the edge of the table here like this. And I just get a little in the hollows of my cheek. And then I go a little bit up on my cheekbone, but I don't go too far in close to my nose. And I just go up in my forehead area. That's how I do bronzer. Okay, so now we're gonna do mascara. And this is a real magic trick. I just take the mascara wand and hold it with my special digit and then run it along my lash line. Really digging in there to get the product on my lashes. And then what I like to do, ends of the sides, and kind of fan them out. Kind of like we did with the eyeshadow, just to give the edges of the eye a little bit more definition up and over so that you get that cat-like effect. That. All right, so we're gonna finish off with some lips, and I love Burt's Bees. I just like to use a little bit of lip tint for a day look. Nothing too fancy on the lips. Provides a little hydration. And then I need to go in and just kind of define everything, make sure. And then what I do is I take a little bit of the lip product and I dab it onto my cheeks. It just kind of gives it a natural flush. It also helps me blend the product so it doesn't look too clumpy. And there's the lip look. Very simple, very natural. And then, just to top it all off at the very end, I go in and I just use my digit with a little bit of light eyeshadow with a little bit of shimmer, and just apply that to the center of my eyelid with my digit, just to kind of give my eyes a little pop. And then I'll take my small eyeshadow brush and just get a light color and apply it to the corner of my eyes. Just to give a little bit of a pop to that inner corner. So today I'd like to thank my brothers Paul and Jeff who helped in the directing and recording of this video. So say hi.
Adios amigos!
And this is Paul.
My name is Paul and you're always dressed beautiful as a queen.
Don't love it in the summer.
So thank you guys so much for watching today. And I hope that all you adaptive queens out there find your look. And if you want to see more videos like this, then like the video below and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Facebook, so follow me. Thanks for watching.